Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a payment of Citibank credit card online. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, simply go and make sure that you have an account. If you don't, make sure to go and open one. And if you are, of course, you can even log in into your account. It will make it easy for you. And if you are on the phone, you can simply again log in into your account using user ID or touch ID if you've already enabled it. If you want to know how to enable it, I've already made a video on how to do it. Or register for an account through the phone if you want to do so as well. So how to make payments on Citibank credit card online? Of course, you can download the app if you want from the app store of your device if you're using iPhone or in, Play Store. Once you're logged in, as we said or as we showed you here, you can tap on credit card section and select your relevant credit card from the options. Enter the due amount and click on pay to confirm your payments. Of course, you can do that also in here. Once you're logged in, as example, you can click on credit card. You'll be able to view your credit card. Here, of course, they'll take me to the credit card option since I'm not logged in. But if I am logged in into my account, I'll find like the credit card. And as an example, I'll be able to go as an example to City Shop and pay with or make a payment of Citibank credit card. So as an example, I can click on enroll now, and this again will take me to create an account since I'm not logged in or logged in into my account. And then you can see why you can like pay through 5,000 online merchants wherever you want. So yeah, as you can see, that's normally should be it. Of course, if you have any of those questions, I'll just open the answers. Maybe you have one of those. You can just pause the video and read the answer by your own. And those are some frequently asked questions. I don't know if you have any. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.